how to discover new music in Tidal. If you're trying to listen to different songs from different genres or different artists, let me show you a few ways that you can do it. Now, the first and the easiest way is going to be the home page, where Tidal is going to recommend songs automatically based upon your interactions or the songs that you added to your playlist or the songs that you listen to. So, if you scroll down inside of your home section, you're going to get sections such as recommended new tracks or essential to explore. Now, as I said, these are going to be mostly based on your interactions or the songs that you listen to. Now, in order to increase these interactions, what you can do, just click on this like or add to collection option to the songs that you like. This way, the algorithm of Tidal knows you like a particular song and it's going to recommend you more of them. Also, you can head over to the explore section and it's going to show you different genres of songs or different moods of songs that you can explore to as well. You can also head over to the section on the bottom, such as the new and the top rated songs that you can explore inside of Tidal as well. Now, apart from this, what you can do, if you head inside of a particular song that you play, you'll be able to see the option called a suggested tracks. Now, based upon this current song that you play, it's going to suggest you songs that you actually might like as well. So you can go through this list as well as add these songs to your playlist as well. So those are the exact ways that you can use inside of Tidal to discover new music. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.